Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are hiking with our kids through Goldmine Loop Trail. Just through the Road to Nowhere tunnel, you will find Goldmine Loop Trail. The trail is about a mile to a mile and a half, and it's perfect for little hikers. It's perfect for anyone who's interested in getting out on a trail and seeing some nature, but isn't really interested in a strenuous hike. This one is perfect for families. Be on the lookout for an old abandoned home while you're on the trail. The only thing you'll see is the remnants of a chimney, but it's pretty neat to see and kind of imagine what the history might have been behind who lived there, what they did, how long they lived there. It's pretty neat to see. Just off the trail, you can actually go down into Fontana Lake. We went down there and we saw some bear tracks and just had a great time kind of wandering around in the bottom of a lake. Okay, we are just finishing up about a 4.5 mile hike. The girls did amazing. I'm so proud of them. These views, so pretty. We don't see this in Miami. So pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope next time you're in Western North Carolina, you'll check out the Road to Nowhere and also Goldmine Loop Trail. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll also give us a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time. Bye.